Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on faces, edges and corners. In the last three videos we saw how to find the faces, edges and corners of 3D objects. In this video we are going to look at the whole three of them for selected 3D objects. We will then see how we can do a very special calculation giving a very special and mysterious answer. So if we quickly revise, we see the cube here. That's the face, that's a corner, and that's the edge. We already know that. Here we have a square pyramid. There's the edge, there's a face, and there's one of the corners. We saw in the previous three videos how to recognize the faces, edges, and corners of 3D objects with flat faces. The cube and the pyramid give examples where these three important parts are located. A special calculation. If we remember, the cube has the following number of faces, edges and corners. So there are 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 corners. Let us look at the calculation, the number of faces plus the number of corners minus or take away the number of edges. So the number of faces is 6, the number of corners is 8, the number of edges is 12. 6 plus 8 is 14. 14 take away 12 is 2. Is this answer true only for the cube? Let us look at other 3D objects and see what answers we get. For the above triangular prism we have the number of faces is 5, the number of edges is 9, and the number of corners is 6. So faces plus corners minus edges is 5 plus 6 minus 9, which is 11 minus 9, which is 2. That's the same as we calculated for the cube. For the above hexagonal prism we have the number of faces is 8, the number of edges is 18, and the number of corners is 12. Faces plus corners minus edges equals 8 plus 12 minus 18, which is 20 minus 18, which is 2. That's 3 times in a row we've had an answer of 2. For the above rectangular pyramid we have the number of faces is 5, the number of edges is 8, and the number of corners is 5. Faces plus corners minus edges is 5 plus 5 minus 8. 10 minus 8 is 2. Again we get an answer of 2. For the above hexagonal pyramid we have the faces equals 7, the edges equals 12, and the corners are 7. Faces plus corners minus edges equals 7 plus 7 minus 12, which is 14 minus 12, which is 2. So isn't that interesting? For all of those 3D objects, the answer always comes out to be 2. So why don't you try some other 3D objects, whether they be prisms or pyramids, and see if you also get an answer of 2.